Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing how to make cream of mushroom soup. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So here I've taken half medium sized chopped onions. I've taken 4 to 5 mushrooms. I've taken 3 tablespoons of milk. I've taken 2 tablespoons of butter. I've taken 10 chopped garlics, 10 to 12 cloves you can say. I've taken 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. I've taken half teaspoon of black pepper powder and salt as per taste. So let's get started. Now here I have taken a pan. Now we'll heat the pan. After the pan is heated, we'll add in butter. So here I'm using just 1 tablespoon of butter. Now let the butter get melted. After the butter is melted, we'll have to add in the chopped garlic. So now the butter has melted. Now we are adding in the chopped garlic. Let's saute it for around 10 to 15 seconds. So now after 10 to 15 seconds, now we'll be adding in the chopped onions to this. And we'll again saute it for 10 to 15 seconds. And the quantity I have used here will serve for 2 people. Now let's saute it. Now we'll be adding in half of the mushrooms to this. We are not adding the complete mushrooms, we are just adding half of the chopped mushrooms. So now I add in the mushrooms. And now we'll have to cook this for around 3 to 4 minutes. So now after around 1 minute, we'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of water to this. And again we'll have to cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes are over. Now we'll have to blend this. And do give it a try guys. It's a very delicious and a tasty recipe. It's just like the restaurant style soup. Do give it a try. So now we will blend the mixture. So I have taken the mixture in the jar and make sure that you cool this mixture and then blend it. So now I have blended the mixture. You can see how it looks. It should be blended very smoothly into a very smooth and fine paste. So now we again take a pan, and now to this pan we'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of butter. And now we'll let the butter melt. After the butter is melted, we will now add in the rest half mushrooms to this, and we'll cook this for around 1 minute. So now cook this mixture for 1 minute. So now 1 minute is over. Now to this we'll be adding in the paste that we had made. Now you can see the colors of the mushrooms also. So we are adding in the paste, and now we'll have to this mixture for around 10 to 15 seconds. So now to this we'll be adding in our cream. And now after adding cream, we'll have to again cook this mixture for around 10 to 15 seconds. So now after 10 to 15 seconds, we'll be adding in milk to this. So now we'll add the milk gradually, and now again give it a stir and mix it properly. And make sure that the flame is at medium. We'll have to cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. And now I think that we have added a little bit less milk. So here I'll be adding 2 more tablespoons of milk. So totally over here we have used 6 tablespoons of milk. And you can see the consistency. Now the consistency is perfect for a soup. And here I have not used any corn flour or anything like that to thicken the soup. You can see that it is already thick enough. And if you want it to be a bit more light consistency, then you can add a bit more milk as per your taste. So now we'll be adding salt to this and give it a mix, and we are going to cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes again. And now we'll be adding in the black pepper also to this. After adding the black pepper, cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes and our soup is ready. It's a very tasty and delicious recipe. It looks really yummy and it's really creamy recipe. Do give it a try guys. Our mushroom soup is ready. Now let's remove it for serving. Mushroom soup is ready. You can see how it looks. It's very creamy and very delicious. You can see the thickness. If you want it a bit more light, then you can add in some more milk. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe my channel. Do give it a try. It's a very tasty and a yummy recipe. You will definitely love it. Thank you guys.